In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the GOG login error quickly and safely using a few simple troubleshooting steps. If you've been trying to sign in to GOG Galaxy and it keeps failing, freezing, or refusing to connect, don't worry. This is a common issue, and in most cases, it can be fixed without reinstalling everything. We're going to go through the exact steps to get GOG Galaxy working again, including running the app as administrator, checking your antivirus and firewall settings, and clearing out the local app data that can cause login problems. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software and gaming fixes. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is make sure GOG Galaxy is fully closed. Don't just minimize it. You need to close the app completely so no background process is interfering with the fix. After that, find the GOG Galaxy shortcut on your desktop or in your start menu, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the app the permissions it may need to connect properly and sign in without being blocked by Windows restrictions. If the login error was caused by a permissions issue, this alone may solve it immediately. If it still doesn't work, the next step is to check your antivirus and firewall. Sometimes security software can mistake GOG Galaxy for a blocked application and stop it from connecting to the login servers. Open your antivirus program and look for the exception, allow list, or exclusion section. Add GalaxyClient.exe and GalaxyClientService.exe to the exception list so they're not being scanned or blocked. Then open your Windows firewall settings and make sure GOG Galaxy is allowed through both private and public networks. The goal here is to let the launcher communicate freely without your security tools interfering. Once that's done, try opening GOG Galaxy again and see if the login error is gone. If you still can't sign in, the next step is to clear the app data. This is one of the most effective fixes because corrupted local files can prevent GOG Galaxy from loading properly or authenticating your account. Press the Windows key and type %localappdatacentergog.com/galaxy into the search bar, then open the folder location. Delete the Galaxy folder if it exists. After that, go back to the Windows search bar and type %programdatacentergog.com/galaxy, then open that location as well and delete the Galaxy folder there too. These folders contain cached and temporary data that can become damaged over time, and removing them gives GOG Galaxy a fresh start the next time it launches. Don't worry, this does not delete your games, but it does clear out the local settings and cache that may be causing the login problem. After deleting those folders, restart your computer to make sure everything resets properly. Then open GOG Galaxy again, sign in, and check whether the issue is fixed. In many cases, after running as administrator, allowing the app through security software and clearing the local app data, the login error disappears completely. If you were able to follow along and fix the problem, let me know in the comments which step worked for you. And if this tutorial saved you time, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful fixes, walkthroughs, and troubleshooting guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.